Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So I am really excited to share this overhead camera rig with you guys today. So I know that there are a lot of content creators just like myself who struggle to create content because of lack of equipment. So I wanted to find this easy and budget-friendly way to be able to create something that you will be able to do overhead shots with. So follow along and I will show you what I got. As always, most big projects start at the hardware store, so I took a trip to the Home Depot and I saw a lot of the flowers that they had leftovers, so I just wanted to add that into today's video. I hope that you guys will enjoy seeing this, and I want to take this chance to say, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and do so right now. We're gonna jump right into the project materials. Okay, so to get started, I just wanted to make sure that I draw you guys a diagram to show you all of the materials that you're going to need for this project. We are going to be using PVC pipes to create this arch. So you're going to need 3 long tubes, as you guys can see here. And then you're also going to need 2 elbow pieces that you're going to find at your hardware store, as well as 2 threaded adapters. Then you're going to need some metal floor flange to attach them, as well as some standard hex screws that work with any camera. And you're of course going to need a filming surface. So this is all the material that we're going to be looking for inside the hardware store. Okay, so I have a quick tip for you guys. When you go to the Home Depot store, whatever you're looking for, be sure to look it up on your phone and it will tell you what aisle and what bay section it will be in. So first, we're going to start in the plumbing section and we're going to look for our PVC pipe. As you guys can see, I ended up going with the 1-inch PVC pipe over here, and this was the most affordable way for me to be able to get them and be able to cut them down myself. Next, you're going to go over to look for your connector pieces. So this is going to be your elbow connectors. I ended up using 2 1-inch male adapters, as you guys can see here. Be sure to read these little boxes and make sure that it is the appropriate pieces so that you don't end up getting any mismatching parts. But then I'm going to grab the 90-degree 1-inch elbow connectors, and this is what is going to fit into the pipe. I also ended up getting this little connector here, one of them. Actually 2 of them, in case I want to extend or shorten up my overhead rig. So you guys have the option here to make your arch the size that is appropriate for what you need. Next, in the same aisle as the PVC and the connectors, you're going to find the floor flange. These are metal ones, so you're going to find the 1-inch ones that fit the 1-inch PVC pipes, and they look like this. They're very heavy duty. If you guys find that these won't be able to hold enough, there are options for you to put screws in them. There is about 4 holes that you can use screws to screw them down to your table if you wanted a permanent hold. The hex screws are a standard screw that can fit into your camera, your ring light, and typically any other type of camera adapters. So now that we have everything, let's head on home and start the project. I wanted to tell you guys that you do have the option of using a handsaw to cut the PVC. It is a super easy material to be able to cut with a handsaw. So do not worry if you do not have any of these machineries. Basically, just use a handsaw, make it easy on yourself. Also, I wrote down all of the cuts that I want to make, and I ended up wanting to make it 50 inches tall at first, but then I ended up switching that up once I tried it on my actual craft table. So do definitely make sure that you adjust this to your needs. So if you make it and you feel like it's too tall, rather you make it tall and not too short. So definitely, I'm not going to tell you any of my exact measurements because my craft table is definitely going to be a little bit different than yours. But I just went in and cut the PVC pipes and then made sure to adjust all of the pieces as I went along, and then I connected all of my pieces. So go ahead and take a look at that, and I will give you more tips and tricks towards the end. Okay, so for the overhead bar that's going to be at the top, I went in with my drill and drilled in some holes. This is where your screws are going to go in to fit your camera, your ring light, or whatever other light that you want to add. I then went in with my threaded pieces at the bottom and put them into the floor flange and made sure that everything was okay. So as you guys can see here, I demonstrated an overhead shot for you guys, and this works so well. Be sure to secure down your camera well. I then ended up going in with some clear zip ties to adjust my ring light up here. I just wanted to show you guys that there's so many options. It's so easy to use. So go ahead and attach all of the materials that you're going to need. I love having my ring light up here. I don't have to trip over it or anything like that. So this is really helpful for me, and I hope you guys will definitely give this project a try. I ended up adding my camera up there, and my EOS camera fits, my Canon G7X camera fits up there, as well as a smaller light and a ring light. So I think that this is going to be great for the future, creating videos and everything. So I hope that that will help you guys. I'm also going to install a camera mount up there for my phone. So this is going to help me a lot. So you guys will see how I am able to add the screw in on top and add that in and just screw in that piece, and then I'm able to add in my phone so that I can take videos for TikTok or Instagram. Let me use this time to tell you guys to follow me on TikTok. Definitely follow me on Instagram. I upload YouTube shorts on here also, so this mount will definitely help me film videos with my phone and everything. So I definitely hope that this camera mount rig can definitely help you guys to create content, be as creative as you want to be. You guys can see just the professional quality of it. You don't have to pay, you know, $200 for an overhead, or $200 and plus for an overhead rig, and you guys can see just how nicely that turned out. And I absolutely love it. So I hope that you guys will definitely give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.